Wood furniture has long been celebrated for its versatility and timeless appeal, making it a popular choice in both home and office decor. The variability of wood furniture ideas reflects a broad spectrum of design philosophies, cultural influences, and practical applications, allowing individuals to create spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. From the rustic charm of reclaimed wood to the sleek lines of contemporary designs, wood furniture can adapt to various styles and preferences, enhancing the ambience of any environment. The use of wood in home decor is often associated with warmth and comfort. In living rooms, wooden furniture pieces can serve as the foundation for creating inviting spaces that encourage relaxation and connection. The natural grains and hues of wood can evoke feelings of tranquility, making them ideal for areas where family and friends gather. Sofas and coffee tables crafted from wood can blend seamlessly into various design themes, from traditional to modern. For instance, a live-edge coffee table can serve as a stunning centerpiece, showcasing the organic beauty of the wood while adding a touch of nature to the living space. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can use in your home or office decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In the dining room, wooden furniture plays a crucial role in setting the tone for meals and gatherings. A solid wood dining table can become a gathering place for family celebrations, fostering a sense of togetherness. The variability in wood finishes allows homeowners to select pieces that align with their personal style. Whether that be a distressed farmhouse table that exudes rustic charm or a sleek, polished surface that complements a modern aesthetic. The choice of wood type, grain pattern, and finish can significantly impact the overall atmosphere of the dining area, making it an essential consideration in decor. Wood also finds its way into kitchens, where it combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Wooden cabinets, countertops, and open shelving can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the cool tones of metal appliances and tiles. The variability of design ideas in kitchen furniture extends to the use of wood in islands and bar stools, providing both utility and style. A kitchen island with a wooden surface not only serves as a practical workspace, but also acts as a social hub where people can gather, chat, and enjoy meals together. The customization options for wood finishes and styles allow homeowners to tailor their kitchens to reflect their culinary passions and design preferences. In bedrooms, wood furniture contributes to the creation of serene and restful environments. Bed frames, dressers, and nightstands made from wood can evoke a sense of calm, helping to foster relaxation and restorative sleep. The variety of wooden designs available means that homeowners can choose pieces that resonate with their personal style, whether it be a minimalist platform bed or an intricately carved antique dresser. The warm tones of wood can create a cozy atmosphere, while the natural textures add depth and interest to the room. When it comes to office decor, the adaptability of wood furniture is equally significant. A well-designed workspace can dramatically influence productivity and creativity. Wooden desks, bookshelves, and office chairs can create an inviting and inspiring environment that encourages focus and collaboration. The use of wood in office furniture can also convey professionalism and warmth simultaneously, making it suitable for both corporate and home office settings. The choice of wood finishes and styles can reflect the identity of a business or the personal brand of an individual working from home, enhancing the overall perception of the space. In collaborative workspaces, wooden furniture can foster a sense of community and teamwork. Communal tables crafted from wood can serve as gathering spots for brainstorming sessions or casual meetings, encouraging interaction and collaboration among colleagues. The natural aesthetic of wood can soften the often sterile feel of an office environment, creating spaces that feel more welcoming and conducive to creative thinking. Additionally, incorporating plants alongside wooden furniture can enhance this effect, as greenery complements the organic qualities of wood and brings life to the workspace. Another significant aspect of wood furniture in both home and office decor is its sustainability. As environmental consciousness grows, many individuals are seeking eco-friendly furniture options. Wood sourced from sustainable forests or reclaimed materials not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds character to spaces. The variability of wood furniture ideas allows for creativity in incorporating sustainable practices into design. For instance, a handcrafted desk made from reclaimed wood can tell a story of its past, adding depth and uniqueness to the workspace. This commitment to sustainability can resonate with both homeowners and businesses, aligning with a broader movement toward responsible consumption. The variability of wood furniture ideas also encompasses the fusion of traditional craftsmanship with modern design techniques. Artisans continue to explore innovative methods of working with wood, creating pieces that celebrate both heritage and contemporary aesthetics. This blend of styles can be seen in furniture that incorporates mixed materials, such as metal and glass alongside wood, resulting in striking designs that are both functional and visually compelling. For example, a wooden bookshelf with metal brackets can combine rustic charm with industrial flair, making it suitable for a range of decor styles. In addition to these functional aspects, the emotional connection people have with wood furniture significantly contributes to its appeal. Wood carries a sense of history and authenticity, evoking feelings of nostalgia and comfort. Many individuals cherish family heirlooms or pieces that have been passed down through generations, imbuing their homes with a sense of legacy. This emotional resonance can extend to contemporary designs that capture the essence of traditional craftsmanship while appealing to modern sensibilities. The stories behind the pieces we choose to incorporate into our spaces can enhance our connection to our homes, making them feel more personal and meaningful. Moreover, the variability of wood furniture ideas encourages customization and personalization. Homeowners can choose to stain or paint wooden pieces to match their existing decor or to create a statement within a space. The resurgence of interest in mid-century design has led to a renewed appreciation for clean lines and functional forms in wood furniture, appealing to both nostalgia and a desire for simplicity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked random wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can use in your home or office decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.